Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Google Chrome web browser's search engine appears to have been changed to Yahoo and you want to change it back to Google or another search engine. This tutorial will show you guys how to do that, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Chrome browser and select the menu icon up at the top right. Just go ahead and left click on that and then go down and select settings. On the left side, you want to select the search engine option. And then on the right side underneath search engine used in the address bar, click on the drop down here. And if it's currently selected as Yahoo, just click on the drop down again and you can select Google. And if you want to select manage search engines and site search, if you go ahead and left click on that, you can delete any of these additional search engines from appearing in this list just by left clicking on the little three dot icon next to it and then just select delete. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.